How to fix Geometry Dash not opening on iPhone iOS 17. Let's get started. Open your App Store. Now search for the app Geometry Dash. After app appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. After you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards next solution, close this. Open your settings app. Scroll down. Open the option of general. Hit towards the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, find the app Geometry Dash. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Once you upload the app, again click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, hit back. Click on this option of shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, again turn it back. Giving a fresh restart to your device might also fix this issue. Now click on this option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset all the settings. After applying all these process, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix Geometry Dash not opening on iPhone iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.